Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. That is the cable for the charger. That is the actual unit. Okay. We're gonna take the top piece, where we're gonna fill it up with liquid, so we can see exactly how it works. Okay, should be enough. Put it together, make sure it's in that position. Okay. Now we flip it around, and that's how it sprays. You can see the spraying part of it. Flip it around, or flip it upside down, and it'll stop. There's an on-off switch. Okay. You can see the light turning on and off. Turn it on. There we go.